Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome. All right, as you guys can see, I had one more box of press-on nails by Kiss. So I said I'm gonna go ahead and use that. I'm not gonna waste it. So I went ahead and just popped those on. So that's what I'm working with there. All right, so today we are going to be stuffing my cash envelope wallet. I did end up switching it out because I like my new one. So let's go ahead, let's hop into it. So if you're gonna do your cash stuffing and you are planning for this paycheck, y'all come on, do it with me. All right, so let's go ahead and see how much cash that we have in our cash wallet. It's $405 is how much we're going to be stuffing for today. So we're going to do 50, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 300, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 405. And y'all, I just put lotion on my hands, so that's why I was able to grip these bills like this. I bet y'all was like, well, what is she trying to prove right now? Y'all, I just lotioned my hands up so I wouldn't be on here ashy. All right. Yeah, I had to do that. All right, so, oh, I don't have any ones. Okay. All right, so, yeah, we'll just do it like that. Okay, so let me go ahead and let's go ahead and do this. And I cannot wait until August comes. I know it's bills, but because July is kind of wonky and I am like winging everything right now because, like I said, I don't know exactly how much everything is going to be. But I kind of have like a little, maybe like a little thing of what I know what it's going to be. But now it's like, because I have bills from the old house and then bills for this house. Then I have to wait until like the 31st until the new bills come out for this house. So yeah, so I'm trying not to let it pretty much stress me out because this is bothering me. Because that is pretty much, my goal is to, you know, kind of wind down, not stress as much. All right, so let's go ahead. And my trackers, I am actually going to be pretty much, I'll update these after I do my video because, like I said, I don't want to go through this rushing and then screw up my trackers. So don't want to do that. Okay. Let's go ahead. I am actually going to just pretty much stick this under here. There we go. All right, so now for my envelopes, these are just the envelopes that I have for just now, but I do got some cute zipperless pink ones that are coming that are going to be in this binder. So this was just to get me through until those come, and I'll show you guys once I get those. And I'm doing better with putting things on my community page. So so you guys that don't have Instagram, TikTok, or whatnot, can see stuff too. All right, so we're gonna do boba. We actually have, let's see how much we actually have left. All right, so we got $5 left, so we can go ahead and write that. And then when I did my unstuffing, I just basically just rolled this over $5. So this is actually from last cash stuffing. So we're gonna add $5, so that is going to be $10. So 5, 10. So that's how much we have in there. All right, so now $10. Okay, so next we have crisp. And crisp, I did the same thing. I just roll over. I know a lot of people say, what is roll over? Roll over is just basically taking the money you have from last cash stuffing that you had left over, and if you want to keep it in your envelope, you just roll it over to the next cash stuffing, and then we're going to add $5 to this, so this will make it $10. All right. All right, so groceries, it's never nothing in this envelope. So I have got to kind of like, I have like my little meal planning pad, so I really have to kind of sit down and kind of like go through it and figure out the meals, and I just have to get the time to do it because I was doing it a little bit and then I stopped, do it a little bit and then I stopped. And I know you guys can relate to that because that's what happened, because life gets in the way and that's what we do. So I got to find like a little rhythm or a plan that I can just have time to sit and kind of like think it out and do that. All right, so we don't have anything in that, so we're going to add 125. So we're going to actually do 2 50s, and we're going to do a 20 and then a 5, and then I'm going to add to my vacation binder. So I forgot to tell you guys I was going to do that. So I got 50, 100, 20, 25, because the last vacation that we had, this year I didn't really plan as good. I didn't save like I wanted to save, but we had the house thing going on, so that's another reason why, you know. All right, so next is giving. So I'm going to skip all the way back here. I'm going to put this here. And this right here is my extra cash. That was from my other unstuffing. So this right here, I'm going to jump to the subject here, jumping across. So this actually is this $40. So I got to figure out which savings challenges I'm going to do. So 10, 20, 30, 40. So that's what this extra cash is. Yeah, I still have this from that other cash stuffing I did. All right, so we're going back to giving. So giving, we have 0 in there. And we are going to be adding $10. This basically, sometimes like at work, I'll stop and grab coffee for like my coworkers. Or if someone's at work and be like, I am so tired, I wish I would have got some coffee. And if I hadn't taken my lunch break yet, I'll just stop and I'll grab them a coffee or whatever, whatnot. Because sometimes I do have coupons. We have like this coupon, what is it? Some kind of entertainment book we have that has a coupons where if you buy one and get one free. So of things, and then they have really good coupons in there, and plus it's also for fundraising for kids, so that is also a good thing. So I hope when Aiden goes to school, I hope that they get to do that too, so that way I'll get to know when they have the book out, because sometimes they'll have the book that they're selling it, and because Aiden doesn't go to like the big schools or elementary school yet, so I'm not able to kind of keep up on when they have the book out to buy. All right, so next we have gas and $60. I didn't do too bad with gas. So, and I think I went to Walmart to get gas, and then the last time I went to Kroger's to get gas. All right, so we already have $10, so we're adding 60, so that'll make us have $70. So we're gonna do 320s. And when I go to, I usually just pull up straight. I try to get to the gas pump that's right there at the little, what is you call, not the kiosk, the little booth where the person's in, so I can just say, come on Aiden, let's hop out, run, go, and then I'm like smack right there where it's at. So I know it's not really a big deal, but yeah. But we just like to do that. So we have 20, 40, 60, 70. So we have $70. All right, so next we have personal. So personal, we don't have anything in there, so we're going to add $25. So we're going to do, and that's going to have $25 because we're not going to add anything. So we're going to do 2 10s and a 5. Do I need to get anything? 10, 20, 25? No. But we just got a freaking Ulta. Y'all, I'm about to make me a beauty envelope, but I was like, no, I'll just keep it in personal. But we did get an Ulta, which I cannot believe, because we did have a Sephora in our JCPenney's. Everybody thought that Sephora was doing good, but then the Sephora went out, and then we heard that it was going to be at our local Kohl's, but that never happened. So then they made an Ulta at our mall, and then JCPenney's has like a beauty store, but that's at the mall too, and Ulta is at the mall too. So I was like, what? I was like, I don't know. I was just happy that we got an Ulta, because they have like lower price stuff than Sephora, but Sephora does have like unique stuff in there. So it's like, which one do you do? All right, so for Aiden, I've already switched his money to his sinking funds binder, and I will have to bring that back. I haven't brought that out in a while, his little binder. So I need to update some of the categories too, because he's going to elementary school. So I think his categories will be a little bit different, because I want to kind of do a little bit for sports, because I would like for him to get into sports, to kind of get like active or whatever, whatnot. Shoot, to get me active too, to go outside and to go to games and stuff. That'll be awesome. So we're going to do $20, and that will give us 20. I can't even imagine little buddy playing sports. Like, that means he's getting old, y'all. That means he's getting old. All right, so next we have eat out. Eat out, I'm hoping that I don't have to use this, but sometimes things happen. I don't have time, so I do have to stop. And I can hold off, but if little buddy wants something, if he's like hungry, and if we're not going home yet and I have to do something important, I'll just stop and grab him something. So I can hold off until I get home, but y'all know kids, they like, but I'm hungry. That's what he says. Please, mommy. All right, so we got 10, 20, 25, 30, 35. I want to do like some little vlogs though with shop with me or something like that. I don't know, something different to show us at the store. Trying to figure out how to get this grocery budget down, right? So, all right, so next we have Dollar Tree. So Dollar Tree, we don't have anything in there, and I'm gonna give myself $10 because y'all know I like going to the Dollar Tree. And I remember before I had an envelope, y'all, I was spending like $20, $30 a week there, just buying like little knickknacks, patty whacks, give a dog a bone. That's okay. And we need all that, right? All right, so next we have household, and household where we don't have, do we have? No, we don't have anything in there. I'm gonna put 40 bucks in there, a little bit more than what I normally put, because we need to go get some paper towels. We need to get some laundry detergent. I think that's it. And we already got cleaning stuff, and we're good on toilet paper, so that is awesome. And then we are gonna do 2 20s, so that is gonna be $40. Okay, so 20, 40. All right, and then also, y'all, I'm gonna add to my emergency fund. I forgot to tell y'all that. And using my emergency fund, I think we're pretty much good. And then I have my receipts back here. I put a check mark on these when I have scanned them with Fetch. So I got to, you know what, I might as well go ahead. All right, so I put check marks on them if they are already, I think I have the sun coming through here. Is that what that's? Y'all, I did not even realize the sun was coming through my blinds. Isn't that something? This whole video, I done it, and I did not realize it unless the sun has transitioned. Because usually I had a shade here, and then I switched to blinds, so I might have to do like some curtains because I haven't put curtains up yet. Ain't that something? All right, hopefully y'all don't mind this video because I did not know that's how that was. Okay, so, well, I might as well keep going now. Hopefully that doesn't bother you guys. All right, so, we are going to be adding, I'm finished with this one here. All right. So we are going to be adding to my vacation wallet. So my vacation wallet is pretty much, I'm saving for vacation. We are actually going to be just adding gas. So, and then plus, like I said, we just have 20 bucks in there. I'm probably just going to take this wallet with me when I go on vacation, stick it in my little small bag because it's pretty thin. And, oh, we don't have a $20. Oh yeah, we do have a $20 balance. I'm getting crazy. All right, so that will be $40 that we have in there. So let's go ahead and put $20 in there. So that way when we go out, I can pretty much still see which categories I have. And then if I want to put trackers in here, I can. But it's pretty, you know, pretty thin for me to take with me. All right, next. And these right here should be the same. We just have to add $10, $20 to this. So this will be $355. All right, let's go. Let's count. Let's count this. Let's count. So we got $10 plus $10 plus $125 plus $10 plus $70, $25, $20, $35, $10, and $40. Whoop. We got $355. That's what I'm talking about. I can add, y'all. Okay. So this, I'm not going to worry about this because I'm going to figure out what savings challenges I'm going to actually do. And then we have our emergency fund, which I told you guys I had started back over. So we are going to put money in our emergency fund, which is back here. And we're going to just do a good old whopping $50 like we always do. All right, so those are all 10s. So we have 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So yeah, so I'm pretty much starting over because like I said, the money that we had saved, that all went towards the housing thing. So, ooh, I am like slowly getting back to not being stressed and everything like that because that house thing stressed me out so bad. All right, guys. So thank you so much for chilling with my video. I think we are pretty much done. Y'all, these videos are getting short and sweet, but we're making some progress and dents in this, right? All right, so that is pretty much how I figure out my cash envelopes wallets. Basically, I just kind of base it off of what I spent last week or last 2 weeks. And also I use my receipts. And y'all, don't forget to scan your receipts with Fetch Rewards. I cannot stress this enough. It's totally free. It's using things that you've already purchased. And you get like gift cards for the points that you get. You can get like Red Lobster, Ulta, which I was talking about, Walmart, Target cards, when we went to the beach, bubblegum shrimp, but we didn't get to use it because it took a while for it to actually process to initiate the gift card, so we just canceled, but we went somewhere else. Yeah, I think that's pretty much some of them, but there is like a whole bunch of different rewards on there. So all you have to do is just sign up. It's totally legit. scan your reward, not reward cards, scan your receipts, and then you get points. And then I noticed they did add a game to it, because it'll say you have to scan a receipt to play. So you scan that, and then you get a chance to win more points. And then also, like, some of the things you get, like my Claritin, I got like 6,000 points for just buying Claritin, like I told you guys. Or was it 2,000? No, not 6,000. What, it was 2,700 points or something like that. I can't remember. But it was something like that. But it's just for products that you use. Now, I do have a link in the description box for the Fetch Rewards, a referral code, because I think it gives you like 2,000 points when you first sign up. Now, you don't have to use my code. You can use other budgeters' codes, so don't feel like you have to use that code there. So use whatever you want. So just to make sure that you take advantage of getting points and free gift cards. All right, guys. So thank you so much for chilling with me through this video. And if you have not already hopped over to my Instagram, it's called A Pink Cloth Life, and my TikTok is called A Pink Cloth Life. Y'all, I got it right this time. All right, so, and then my website is called 𝗗𝗚𝗏𝗃𝗏𝗏. And then, like I always say, until next time, guys, peace.